Hey guys, today we're gonna be unboxing the new iPhone 14 Pro Max. So let's get on with it. Okay, we have opened the back. Now we're gonna do the very satisfying opening. Wow. This looks amazing. The peeling is even better. This looks very good. This might have been the best phone I've holded in these past 2 years. So the weight is 240 grams and the battery size is about 4,300 milliamp hours, and it can stay for about 13 hours. And the most things I love here, the thing that I really like here is that it's called crash detection. Crash detection, whenever you have the phone with you and it crashes, it detects it. So whenever you have a crash, it will automatically detect it and send you to the emergency SOS. And also this can be in water for 6 meters for 30 minutes, but only in fresh or clean water, like your rivers, lakes that are clean, swimming pools, the water you drink, or the water that's in the sink. And the main camera is 48 megapixels, which is the biggest camera that Apple has ever made. A 12 megapixel telephoto and a 12 megapixel macro, ultra wide camera. So let's open it. This might take a little. Wow. Just minus. It is taking a little. Okay, I'm gonna complete the setup later, but we put the phone aside right now and we see what it comes with the box. It comes your regular USB-C to Lightning, which is kind of sad because it doesn't get it with a power brick, and really nothing else. Some Apple stickers, a SIM ejector, and that's it. So this is one of the new colors. Actually, it is the deep purple, and it looks fantastic. It is actually one of the best colors I have seen, except product red. Product red is another great color. Still didn't come out in that color though. I wish it does come out. So the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max have the new A16 Bionic chip with 6 gigabytes of RAM, and the new screen display is the new from Samsung, actually, because fun fact, Apple takes their displays from Samsung. The display is a Super Retina XDR OLED display. There are 4 types of the iPhone 14. There is the iPhone 14, the iPhone 14 Plus, the iPhone 14 Pro, and the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The Pro Max and Pro has been around since the iPhone 11, and the Mini has been since the 12 and not reached to 14. It hasn't reached 14. So the iPhone 14 has 4 types. The types of it is the iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14, actually not in order, the iPhone 14 Plus, and before it the iPhone 14 Pro, Pro Max, Pro. These look amazing, whether it was the hole punch or not. It looks amazing. Even the colors are amazing, even if they're the normal silver or black. So Bye guys, we will set it up and come back to you. Bye. Okay, actually I forgot about the dynamic island. The dynamic island can do many sorts of things when it is paired with the iPhone 14 Pro apps from the App Store. It can do stuff like you can manage your music, manage your maps, and manage your what is it called again? The clock and many others. So we will set it up and come back. Bye guys.